Hi to my 1 million followers. Ay, Kuya Juan. Charot lang. Kalma, guys. So, we're here at Butuan Airport. If you're gonna ask where I'm heading to, secret po natin yan. Ay, char. Feeling celebrity yarn. We're heading to Manila lang mga inday. So, it's boarding time. Relax lang ta. Kala man kubog at nahan carry dala. Naka-check-in atong malita para hindi hassle.
To don a slip vest over the head, take tapes around the waist, then push ends to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, jerk inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of red tubes. Pull to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light will automatically illuminate.
Finally, we're here. Touchdown Manila. Mukhang uulan pa ata mga zay. Pababa na pala tayo ng plane at sasakay ng bus papunta dun sa airport. Ibahan sa province mga zay, example the Butuan Airport. Pagbaba mo ng plane, konting lakad lang, yun na yun. Dito kasi mapahaba pa yung lalakarin, kaya less hassle if magaan lang yung dala mong gamit. Pababa na pala kami dito at hinahanap ko na rin kung saan ko kukunin yung maleta ko. By the way, if you have a chicken baggage, you need to check on the monitor or makinig sa announcement if anong carousel number mo kukunin ang iyong bagahe. Nakuha ko na pala yung malita ko mga inday at palabas na tayo sa mundo ng mga tao. Huy! Charot lang. Anyways, baka ito na yung time para may entry na ako sa kantang I just wanna love you forevermore. And I wanna hold you just like that. Gatay, giulan man hinuan. So, ta sa taxi mga zay, kaya man ta sundo na afam. It's raining in Manila. See you in my next video. Bye!